Assalamualaikum friends, here is business card bundle. Total business card is 250 plus these for Adobe Illustrator. And here is Sheri SK application offer for 7 days, but now remaining is 5 days. You can buy my app in $1.99, 60% off. Okay, download this app for password for lifetime access. Here is my Sheri SK Facebook page. Join me. Subscribe our Telegram channel here. Yes, official. I will provide every link or of video or any notification first here. Okay, you see first folder is 86 with preview file. Here is a preview. You can change color, write anything. Next is okay. These are EPS file. You can edit in Adobe Illustrator. Here your company name, contact number, address, website or email address. Wow, last folder is here is 144 files with preview file. I say again, here is offer for 60% off Sheri SK application in now in $1.99, and this is app buy now in $9.99 in sale. Take care, office.